to Lydia's travel diaries.
You wouldn't be able to drive here?
No.
It's easy.
Well, you're gonna get used to it.
Yeah, it's something you just gotta get used to. It's just like anything. I said that when I first went to the States. I said I couldn't drive out here. Traffic moves too fast.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when you come off of that off ramp, you gotta kill it. You gotta hit that pedal so hard, you're like, holy macaroni, it feels like I'm on an airplane. This is one of the most popular beaches. It was, once upon a time ago, it was number 10 on the world chart. But it's dropped, it's like number 50 now for some odd reason. But it was known for its pink sand. And I'm gonna pull over you guys and take a quick look at Horseshoe Bay.
Well, check that out.
This is beautiful.
Hey, Mica,
Yes.
did your brother get drafted?
No, he said, son, if you speed like lightning, you're gonna crash like thunder. You know, and I'd never listen. I used to say, I will never break a bone. I broke plenty bones in one accident.
Were you on a motorcycle?
I was on a Yamaha RXS 125.
Okay.
It was a clutch bike with 6
Yep.
gears.
Yep.
And when I bought the bike, I bought it brand new. I was 17 when I bought the bike. I wasn't even old enough to ride the bike. And so it sat there till I was 19. And when I did decide to ride it, 2 weeks later, I was in the hospital.
I think it's.
Yeah. This is the local spot. Rotisserie Grill. It's a good place to, if you don't feel like cooking, they sell cooked food there.
Now, do they follow hours like the States, store hours, or is it wherever?
If they follow the hours, I'm assuming so, yes, because most restaurants would take their last order around about 7:38. The grocery stores close around about 9, 10. We don't have 24-hour grocery stores anymore. Ever since COVID. Before COVID, we had a 24-hour grocery store, and it closes at 10 o'clock. Schools get out at 3:30.
Do they start later then?
And our main things for export was Bermuda onions, very sweet, sugar cane, and clams. Also tobacco. Clams, yes. We used to go diving for clams. That was in 1995. I was out of high school at 15 years old. Turning 16. I was going, actually, 16 or 17. I can't remember. Here's a nice pink house. That's Bermuda's national color. Pink. Pink buses, pink houses, pink flowers, pink beach. The list goes on. Pink Bermuda shorts. They say real men wear pink in Bermuda.
Is that where it came from?
Yeah, that's where they say it came from, Bermuda. They say real men wear pink. It's got it right here. I haven't tried it yet.
Start small.
Start small, yeah. I probably get a pink ribbon or something.
Yes, exactly.
Take it to my shirt.
There you go.
Here's Somerset Village again.
Oh, they have that HSBC.
We have the HSBC. They are everywhere. What HSBC stands for?
Bank or something?
Huh?
Is that a bank?
Yeah, it's a bank. What's the letter stand for? H. Hong Kong. S. Shanghai. C. China. B. Bangkok. Bangkok. It's an Asian bank. Because it's not here anymore.
Luckily, there's an airport.
Luckily, it's the airport. Here's our cement silos right here. And you can see the symbol, Pittsburgh Steelers symbol on the side. I don't know who did that, but it's been there. It's been there before I was.
Thanks for stopping by Lydia's Travel Diaries. Like and subscribe as I will be sharing more travel tips and travel videos. I'll see you in the next video.